My name is Devashish Patnaik. I am from KIIT School of Civil Engineering. Before joining the School of Civil Engineering, I only note that the structural engineering is the most important thing in the civil part. But after joining, I get to know that there are many other fields to discover and many other fields that can I join. KIIT School of Civil Engineering provides the best workshops that we experience. Apart from the alumni, there are many lecturers which come from outside of India to teach us how vast the civil engineering field is, and we actually learn from them that how civil engineering can be done at different fields. We have transportation engineering, water resource engineering, and geotech engineering. It was a very good experience that we gained from here. Regarding our faculties, they are very helpful. They push us to do something in project or as well as extracurricular activities. I would really recommend my friends and the future generation to join KIIT School of Civil Engineering.